guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I am Sonal and I make videos about things I like, things I don't like, my personal life, what I like to do, my work, all of that. So you will get all the masala right here. So as you know, like we have moved to Bangalore from Gurgaon, and moving to Bangalore was a very work centric decision, and we are actually from Mumbai. So Mumbai to Gurgaon, Gurgaon to Bangalore. So last 16 months have been really crazy and really hectic. This video is about house hunting in Bangalore. Now, when I was looking for houses in Bangalore, what I really thought was when I was moving from Gurgaon, this is going to be really easy. But trust me, it did not be that easy. मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगा था कि यार चलो यहाँ पे डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा है and a lot of people are working here, many of them are coming from outside, there are such huge companies and startups, is the Silicon Valley of India. So मुझे लगा था it will be a lot easier to do so. When we were hunting for our Airbnb, if you see my previous video, which is about moving out from Gurgaon and we living in an Airbnb, even at that time, it was a little tad bit difficult to find what we really liked because there were certain things that are just not given importance to when it comes to a house here in Bangalore. And let me tell you, the weather here is amazing. So that's a super point. Every cafe you go to is all about hustling and you get to meet a lot of people. तो यार ये सब मुझे ना बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. So the culture was very nice when we were taking a feeler of Bangalore, when we stayed here like for a few weeks and Ankur was here for quite some time. But my real troubles started when I was hunting for a house to stay. So if you've seen the previous video, the moving out vlog, I did mention that we did not want a huge apartment here because it is just Ankur and myself. So 2 BHK would be like superb. So we didn't have to manage too many things. I'm going to take you through the process. So all the houses, actually I wasn't able to find too many, but whatever I could from all the conversations I had with my brokers and all the research I've done and called for videos and everything, I've tried to compile a few houses that we actually saw and the reasons why we had to let go. So you understand why the criterias was so important for us. All the houses that you see are in the range of 50,000 rent to about 80,000 rent, more or less, approximately, probably plus minus 5-10,000. So yes, I do not remember exact details of how much was the rent and the location, but yes, what I can tell you is all the houses that we looked was in HSR layout and around HSR layout. So Harloor was of course another thing that we were looking at. Sarjapur Road also people suggested, but we didn't really see anything on that side. कुछ ऐसा आया नहीं कि we got excited to go and see, and plus distance and all of that. We did see some in Koramangala because they did tell us. JP Nagar, Indira Nagar हमें लगा थोड़ा सा दूर हो जाएगा. So that is something we have not explored. Koramangala we did explore, and so there were certain criteria we kept in mind when we were looking for houses. We wanted the place to be close to Ankur's office because everyone told us about the Bangalore traffic. यार इतना डर नहीं लगता ट्रैफिक से because Mumbai, like how it is, traffic वहां भी रहता है. But after moving here, and I'm making this video after a few weeks of moving here or staying or taking a feeler, traffic बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है in this city. So, of course, our first criteria was to stay close to Ankur's office. Second thing that we really wanted to do is we did not want to take an apartment anywhere. Like we did not want like the builder floor format which is there in Gurgaon, So these are not societies, but it's a plot where there is a building come up with like say 3 to 4 floors, and like each floor is for one person, something like that. So we did not want that situation here, though that was plenty here. मतलब यहाँ पे वो single, they call it like a single tower kind of a situation, although it is like 2 or 3 floors. It was chaotic. We did not want something like that. Third thing, we like Ankur and me like to go out, we like to have fun, we just drive out, go for a cup of coffee, or we just go and party and stuff like that. So we did want an area that was pretty close to these kind of things. We were given options of Koramangala, Indira Nagar, Even Electronic City and Whitefield to that extent, because they do have a lot of things within their vicinity. So that would be like a great thing for us. Another thing that we really wanted was there should be good sunlight in the house. So that was like our topmost priority, because all the houses we've had so far was pretty much like that. So that was like we really needed light, like sunlight. It makes me feel happy. So sunlight. Then another criteria for us was that we wanted, like I said, a society. The main reason for that was we wanted good security, and another criteria was because all of us know, like, Bangalore had this huge water issue and stuff like that. This was another reason why we wanted a society, because what happens is when you're living in a community, society becomes like a community for you, right? So which is why what happens is, in such a situation, when there is a problem, whether it is electricity backup or a water cut, the whole community is together and a solution is looked after. And it's like it's easier to get a solution because there are so many more people involved, and they do this on a priority. Of course, there are a lot of standalone buildings in Koramangala, Indiranagar, JP Nagar, and all of that, and there are some huge societies as well. But like, my first criteria was that we wanted to be near Ankur's office, or we are like about 15 minutes from Ankur's office right now, which really makes it very, very, very helpful, because even when there's traffic, it's about 30-35 minutes and he's home, or he can reach his office. As far as my work is concerned, it's pretty much all over the place and it's virtual. My team sits in Mumbai and I have a team who sits in Pune. So what really happens is, like, I'm most of the time working virtually, so this really works for me. Doesn't matter the location and whatever. Another criteria for us was, which was a little bit of a deal breaker, I should say, or maybe not. The weather in Bangalore is wow, but we come from Mumbai, we've grown up with ACs, and that was something we were really looking for in the apartment. We realized कि ये नहीं मिलने वाला है. Very few apartments had it. So what we really needed was that the landlord be absolutely okay with us putting an AC by ourselves. We were okay to bear the expenses for it, but at least in the bedroom we wanted one AC. So a lot of apartments that we did like did not go through because the landlords were not okay with us putting up an AC, it at least in the bedroom. So probably, if this is your criteria, then I think you should have these conversations with your landlord way before you decide to close in on a property, which I was doing. Every property I went to, I had my first question like, is it okay if I put an AC? I need that thing to be clear. यार मुझे ना ये बहुत लोगों ने बोला था when I was moving to Bangalore that you are going to find the bathroom situation very funny, which I did not really pay attention to so much when I started talking to the brokers. And like, I was like, okay, ठीक है, let's have a look. And when I saw few pictures that was sent to me, this suddenly became one of the criteria that I did not want a colorful house. We pretty much wanted like a very neutral house, or maybe a black and white or something like that. That was very neutral, because that is something Ankur and myself really like. We did not want like a pink wall and a yellow wall and whatever else. So that was the thing. So apart from all the other criteria, I think there is one more thing that should be on your list. You may want, you may have different criteria than what I had or what we had as a couple. But this is one thing I think each and every one of you should have on your list when you're looking for an apartment. Whenever you contact a broker here in Bangalore, make sure that you get the photos and the videos of the property much in advance, because what really happened with us, it's not like it was we were scammed or something, but it was a waste of time where I really had to see so many properties, because the photo that was being sent to me or the video that was sent to me was very different from the property I got to see actually. So what was really happening was they were sending me these fancy properties, and with great lighting, because the pictures were taken in such a situation. मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि oh wow, I think we found a property and it's close to the house, it's checkbox, all the checkbox are being ticked and stuff like that. But by God, वहां पहुंचने के बाद जो मेरा पोपट होता था ना, मतलब it is unreal. मतलब मैं लिटरली दुखी हो गई थी थोड़े टाइम में, ना यार मुझे जाना ही नहीं है. फिर लिटरली मैंने ये करना चालू किया, लाइक आई स्टार्टेड टेलिंग द ब्रोकर्स कि यू स्टैंड देयर राइट नाउ, आप मेरे को लाइव वीडियो कॉल करो या तो लाइव अभी के अभी वीडियो निकालो आपका वहां खड़े होके एंड देन सेंड इट टू मी. बट ट्रस्ट मी, इवन दैट वाज नॉट वर्किंग. सो this is something you should really keep in mind, because yeah, you don't want to waste your time, right? I mean, and it's not like you're going to be sitting and looking at 100 properties. You have to close it. And especially in our case, because we were moving from Gurgaon to Bangalore, we did not even have the opportunity कि हम इसको बहुत लंबा खींच सके. So we had to be very quick with our decision. So that is that. I must have seen about 30 to 40 houses, and then finally zeroed in on the house that we're staying in. It's a cute 2 BHK, which pretty much suffices what we like. More or less, most of our check boxes were ticked, so it really just fell in place. And when we were seeing this house, the funny part is, uh, we saw this house, we walked down and wanted to see the entire building and all of that. We wanted to see what facilities are there and the campus and all of that. And we suddenly saw some people standing in the balcony of this house, and we realized that somebody else was also watching this house, which we didn't want to let go, because मैं इतना ज्यादा थक चुकी थी after seeing all the houses. मतलब I really just wanted to close down and move ahead. So I was like, oh my god, Ankur, we have to close this house before things go really wrong and people like, oh, like they just walk away and they, somebody else gives a token for this house. Because इसके पहले एक घर और हमने फाइनलाइज किया था, which we really like, which was like another, like, which was like actually a kilometer from this building. So it would be even little more closer to Ankur, to be honest. So but unfortunately that one we did not get, even after wanting to give the token for the house, because there was another couple looking for that apartment, and they had a cute little dog, and the owner was absolutely okay with the dog. Also, they were staying in the same building and they wanted to like shift. So the owner just gave them the preference and we lost out, and I didn't want this to happen, so for this house, which is why we did it. So this house that you see was an excellent house with a very good condition. Bathroom का थोड़ा सा issue था because entry का gate was very small. But the biggest problem with this house was that यहाँ पे network ही नहीं था. No Airtel, no Jio, nothing was working. You would only have to survive on Wi-Fi, which is why we decided to drop the house. Although it was one of the best houses and the condition we had seen. The houses I'm showing you, I'm just taking you through the journey and letting you know what was available and what was not, and what are the problems we faced. It's not necessarily in the order of how I've seen the house, because literally now when I'm making the video, I've lost count, maybe 30-40 houses I had seen. So that's it. So now this house, an excellent house. When we saw the video, it felt great. It had sunlight, it was white, it looked amazing. But the moment I reached the house, I realized the size of the house was extremely small and the house was a mess. The way it's looking in the video, it looked absolutely different. It had great balcony. House number 3. So this house also looked pretty decent when they sent me the video, but when I stepped into the house, my god, there were windows, but I could literally touch the wall of the next building. It was like in a very bad situation. They told me it's like a single building apartment kind of a thing, but trust me, it wasn't. It was very much like a builder floor, but they had made, it was very much like a builder floor, but इन्होंने क्या छोटा छोटा घर बनाया हुआ था. So 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 was not available. Anyways, कोई काम का नहीं था. And it was really bad. Like it was a bad idea. मतलब I was only looking at walls. So we had to let this one go as well. House number 4. So now this looked like a great apartment, and it was a little bit far for Ankur's office situation. So we were still reconsidering कि हमें लेना चाहिए कि नहीं, because it was a white house, it was a 3 BHK, it was very spacious. The only issue we really felt with this house was that it was on the ground floor and we did not really want that for us. We were not too comfortable taking a ground floor apartment. We wanted something at least fourth, fifth, or higher, or whatever. So that was the thing. So it was one of the reasons, and of course, it was a little far from Ankur's office. probably it would have taken him 20-25 minutes, and with traffic maybe 45 minutes. So then there were better locations, so which is why we decided to skip this. So this is the house that I'm talking about, where they showed me these amazing pictures. Like everything felt right. There was sunlight, it was spacious, it was white and gray. It just felt nice. The bathroom seemed all right, pretty much manageable. Also, it looked like the house was hardly used, or maybe there was one tenant before us, or it was renovated. And we were like, okay, we can have a look at this apartment. It was again a standalone building, but yeah, actually standalone building. Yeah, I think there were 10 floors or something like that. It was a little older building, but the house looked fab. So we were like, okay, let's go. But ये वाला घर था जिसने मुझे लिटरली स्कैम किया, बिकॉज जब मैं ये फोटोज देख के व्हेन आई वेंट टू सी द हाउस एंड व्हेन आई आस्क्ड द ब्रोकर आई वांट टू सी दिस हाउस, ही इज लाइक मैम ये तो है ही नहीं, ये तो हमने शायद आपको नहीं भेजा था। मैं बोला तो मेरे पास फोटो कहाँ से आएगा अगर आपने नहीं भेजा था। सो दिस इज व्हाट दे डू, एंड देन दे लाइक नहीं नहीं आपको मैं दूसरा दिखा देता हूँ, आई हैव मेनी मोर ऑप्शंस, एंड दोज वर लाइक रियली 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 बैड। तो यार मेरी तो मतलब इसके बाद से ना, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू माय क्राइटेरिया हैड चेंज। आई नीडेड फोटोज वीडियोज वे बिफोर, कि भाई नहीं, आप जो रियल घर है जो आप दिखाओगे आप सिर्फ उसी का फोटो भेजो, मुझे एक्स्ट्रा देखना ही नहीं है। सो इसलिए लाइक आई सेड, बी स्मार्ट, ये अपने क्राइटेरिया में जरूर डालना, नहीं तो फंस जाओगे, मैं बता रही हूँ। Another house looked amazing, was fantastic, worked for us. The only problem was कि ये builder floor था, but हमने फिर भी सोचा because the house is so good, we can have a look and let's take it. And it was about 60,000 rent, I think, plus maintenance. So we were like, चलो कोई बात नहीं, 3 BHK देख लेते हैं, मे बी अच्छा हो। HSR में ही था अंकुर's offices, so we were like कि चलो देख लेते हैं, but स्कैम। ये भी घर अवेलेबल नहीं था, कोई पुराना 1 साल 2 साल पुराना कोई दूसरा घर था। दिस वाज नॉट देयर ऑन रेंट, नन ऑफ द ब्रोकर्स हैड इट, एंड दे डिडंट इवन नो कि वो किस बिल्डिंग का था, कहाँ का था। सो ओके, अनदर बैड एक्स, मतलब मैनेजेबल था, थोड़ा सा रेड था, पर्पल था, मतलब पेस्टल शेड था, जो भी था, लाइक it was still a pretty much manageable. But as you can see, the sunlight, natural light actually was hardly anything because Aju Baju buildings say, so we decided to skip this one. Another one, this was again a builder floor. We did not want it because there's security ka panga, maid ka panga, pani ka panga, matlab everything you have to deal with it on your own. तो ये हमें नहीं चाहिए था, so we decided to skip this as well. This was again a great house, looked fine and looked like it was a little bit renovated, although I don't like the wooden stuff happening. बहुत ज्यादा था, but यहाँ पे one problem that we had was we do have a bit of our furniture, like we have the bed and the sofa and stuff like that. They had bed in both the rooms which they were not willing to remove. Also, they were not letting us install ACs. About this house, they had a dry area, a dry kitchen as you call it, and a wet area where you could do your vessels and stuff like that. So that was something I really liked, because you know you could still have your kitchen spick and span, but क्या करे, ना एसी अलाउड, ना बेड निकालने को तैयार थे, सो वी हैड टू लेट गो ऑफ दिस वन। अनदर हाउस वी सॉ, बट यहाँ पे ना किचन के कैबिनेट्स नहीं किए हुए थे, बाथरूम वाज नॉट दैट अमेजिंग, बिकॉज पता नहीं शावर इन्होंने बीच में कहाँ से आके बस लगा दिया था पॉटी एंड सिंक के बीच में, तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था। तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि छोड़ो यार, हमको नहीं चाहिए, लेट्स मूव अहेड। नेक्स्ट हाउस, एज यू कैन सी, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इट वाज ऑल द रेनोवेशंस वर हैपनिंग, they were going to clean it up and give it to us and all of that. Sunlight was a little tad bit less because it was only on one side of the house, baki the windows were against a wall of another building, so that was still okay, hum soch sakte the ki we can take it. But when we asked for the pricing of this house, of course ye standalone building tha, to compromise yahan pe bahut sare the, matlab builder floor, not even a building, it was a builder floor. But when we asked for this apartment, they were like, it's not available, it's already gone on rent, and suddenly they wanted 80,000. Then I got another broker who said कि 80,000 का है, मतलब समझ में नहीं आता. There was too much of confusion and question mark on this house, so I had to let this one go as well. This was a house we saw in Koramangala specifically. It sounded good, it looked good, and everything seemed all right. But जब ये वीडियो देखा हमने, वी वर वेरी हैप्पी, एंड अंकुर एंड माई सेल्फ वेंट टुगेदर टू सी द अपार्टमेंट, बिकॉज वी वर लाइक लेट्स जस्ट क्लोज इट, बिकॉज ये अच्छा लग रहा है। कोरामंगला में भी है, थोड़ा सा आई थिंक इट वाज इन द 7th block. I'm a little confused about the location, but it was in Koramangala. थोड़ा सा अंकुर को टाइम ज्यादा लगता है ऑफिस के लिए, मे बी हाफ एन आवर फॉर श्योर ऑन एवरीडे बेसिस. बट जब हम वहां पहुंचे, माय गॉड, द हाउस नीडेड सो मच ऑफ मेंटेनेंस. It's unreal. Bathroom was pink, one was blue. Pink, I mean that dirty pink, not that nice pastel pink. मतलब बहुत, and the kitchen required a lot of deep cleaning, maybe 3-4 times. The cupboards that were there, they were all worn out. मतलब जो वीडियो था और जो हमें देखने मिला was absolutely two different houses. So ये तो होने ही नहीं वाला था. We were not taking this one at all. I have come right now to take the keys to the house and sneak peek, but उसके लिए आपको wait करना पड़ेगा. This is the house that we finally decided to move into, but now I have already done up the house when I'm shooting this video, so of course maybe a little later, maybe छोटा सा home tour हम करेंगे. I'm not too sure about it, as in when we are comfortable. So stay tuned for more such fun videos. If you found this video informative, please let me know in the comment below. Up until then, I will see you in the next video. Ciao! Mwah.